eye on the enemy. A gleeful smile covers his tired yet fresh face when suddenly he speaks to the control tower. 166 hijacked. 166 hijacked. Fading. Dying. Craving for breath. The enemy was very happy. They thought they would hijack the plane, kill the man and fly away, but alas. You had learned to hijack planes but could not learn to hijack our souls, our spirits, our thoughts and our love for the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Rashid Minhas let the plane fall, let his body burn in the red-orange flames of the ruthless fire, and he roared savagely in the face of the enemy that I will not fall. I have spent my days in thrall. I will now stand strong as a wall, hitting you like a cannonball, but I will not fall. Wherever I see, no matter how much tears and blood I witness, I watch within an inevitable beacon of hope. If I see a society full of gender stereotypes where society suffocates women, I also see Samina Bey standing at the top of Mount Everest, yelling at the top of her lungs, yelling at all those who told her she could not. I see Sana Mir swinging her bat, hitting in the face of misogyny. On this 14th of August, when I stand in front of you and I tell you I will not fall, I do not give you a sugar-coated, meaningless, overly optimistic, cliché quote. Instead, I give birth to hope. With difficulty, yes, but I do. I do not turn blind to the blood on the streets, but I do manage to restore my faith in the blood that runs through your veins and mine. Because for years and years I witnessed the mockery of transgender individuals, but one day Marvia Malik stood up and burnt hopelessness to ashes. I don't want to give you a false ideal of aspiration, ladies and gentlemen, but I equate not falling with building wings of determination and flying high amidst the clouds of broken taboos, success, determination and kindness. Every day I learn. I learn from the man who, despite the lack of resources, worked hard, stayed committed, and made Pakistan proud. Rashid Nadeem did not fall. Ladies and gentlemen, I learn from the man who is accused of treachery every day, and yet he continued to spread smiles of the Sattar Idi, did not fall. I learn from every child that studies in Army Public School. I learn that my Pakistan never drowned its swag. It bled hard when it was hit. It stumbled when it was pushed. It was ridiculed. It was laughed at. But Major Hafsa, Major Shahid, Captain Farhan Shaheed, Adeeb Salimani, Dr. Tahir, the list goes on and on and on, and all these people bellowed that I will not fall. For I am not I, you are not you, we are we, together, not ready to fall, not ready to shut up, and not ready to give up. Thank you.